Hey guys, come and do my nails with me. I'm going to go from this set to this set here, and it is going to be using the new Glitterbels Builder Bell Gel. It's their new builder in a bottle and it's Hema Free. I'm going to use the shade Peekaboo in this one because it is the closest to their other shade Dolly, and that is my favourite one from the black bottle range. So when I opened it, it just came with this instruction guide, which I think is really helpful. It shows you the steps. It says prep, first layer, second layer, cleanse, file, finish, all the different steps, and there's a lot of information there. I'm just kind of glossing over it now. And then on the other side it has Annabelle's top tips, and then how to do a Builder Bell Gel infill and removal, all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to show you, this was what my nails were like when I removed the old set. I just removed anything that needed to be removed, any lifting or anything like that. And I'm just going to show you the application on my thumb. So I'm going to go in with the Glitterbels Hema Free base coat, just scrubbing that into the nail plate, making sure I'm like scrubbing it in, not going too light on that brush, and capping the free edge, and then that cures for 60 seconds and I'm going to come back with the gel. Okay, so now I'm going in with the gel and I'm painting on a slip layer here. So this slip layer is not going to be cured. It's just a thin layer of gel that paint onto the nail plate. And then I go in to my bottle and pick up a bigger bead and just kind of float it down the nail. So once I have this layer on, I just go in with my bead right here. I'm just dragging it down from side to side, down the nail, just keeping an eye on it at all times. And then I'm going to go in with my liner brush and get to those hard to reach corners, like up close to the cuticle and as close to the side walls as possible without getting it on the skin. But one thing I noticed about this gel, the consistency is thicker than the other ones. So the ones in the black bottle you do have to work quite quickly with, I noticed. This consistency is thicker, which is a good thing. I think it's nicer. It gives you more time to work with it, and you just have more time to kind of work with the gel and get it where you want it to go before it kind of runs on you. So here I am just looking at how it turned out. I just turned it upside down for a second there, and that's it before even going into the lamp. So it doesn't need much refining, and this is how they looked when I had all 5 fingers done. Now I'm going in with the Glitterbels Unbelievable Gel in the shade White, and this is also a new purchase for me. This is my first time getting a white nail art gel. Actually, I've always just used white gel polish when I'm doing tips or anything like that, and I have to say it's already a game changer. I do have a black one and I have a couple of other colours, and this white one had been out of stock for every time I went on to purchase it. It was out of stock. So as soon as I saw it back in stock, I just got it straight away, and I already love it. I'm obsessed with it already. I've used it a few times on clients. I've used it on myself here, and as you can see, it's so pigmented. It goes on so bright and full coverage, and there's no need for any second coat or anything like that. So this is me just painting on my French tip. I just kind of eyeball it, and if I need to clean up anything, I go in with those little eyelash swabs and a little bit of acetone and clean it up. But this is just how I like to do my French tip. I start from one side and I bring it over, and then I just check the thickness on every nail that I do. I just keep looking at it and making sure the thickness of the French is the same. And yeah, I never ever do plain white French myself, so it's so unusual for me just to have a French tip on a white one, but I actually really love it. It's very classy, I have to say. So I really like it, and I'm just gonna let you watch a couple of fingers of me doing the French tip, and then I'm going to go in with the flower design.
Should've known that you're the type to try and play me, babe. Fool me once, you fooled me twice, that was my mistake. Left the track, I knew I should've stayed in my lane. We managed to damage everything, you got me good. Retracted, fell back in, you were quick to just fine, 'cause you're out of sight.
Okay, so going to do some really simple daisies here with the dotting tool, and I'm going to go with the Gel Bottle Inks bottles with Benefits, which is a gorgeous gold, and also the Gel Bottle Inks Pixie, which is a beautiful, beautiful baby pink. And I just go in with one size of the dotting tool and put the gold petal in the middle, and then I'm going to go around that and do 5 dots of Pixie pink to finish off the flower design. So really simple, but very, very effective. And in between each flower I do pop it in the lamp to cure it, just to set it so it doesn't kind of bleed into the petals beside it. So when I do the gold, pop it in and flash cure it, and then I go in with the pink.
I'll admit that we were just a little toxic, babe. I drove you mad till we crashed, then we lost our way. Gave it chance after chance, but it ain't the same. We managed to damage everything, you got me good. Retracted, fell back in, you were quick to make a move. Never fear the consequences of your action. Acting nonchalant like it ain't never happened. Put her in no passenger, you got her fastened. So it's not right for you to hit my line on a late night. I'm just fine, 'cause you
And just finishing up with a very generous layer of the No Wipe top coat, and this is how they turned out. I'm so happy with them. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.